and I must explain that I take it as a reminder not only to the public in general, to the Filipino public, but more specifically to ourselves in government. In other words, there is no way that we could serve the Filipino people if we do not take the necessary reforms. It is only when you have a reformed heart and mind that you will be able to serve the people better. And so, true enough, we have seen purges, the catharsis in government. You remember PhilHealth. You remember the initial 64 in the Bureau of Customs. 100 more will be coming out. At the newly appointed foreign office of the Anti-Red Tape Agency, they have apprehended people at the Land Transport